Live from Beaver Dam, lawnmower races. Desert Rats hit the lawnmower races in Beaver Dam. Hey, say hello, everybody. Say hello.
Your lights are on and your fan's running.
Yeah, that's okay.
The lights are on.
I'll turn it off. All right. So how do I stop this? We'll just stay alive because I got to turn my lights off. Say hi, Tony.
Hello, Mr. Bob.
My lights aren't on.
Hey, they're off now. Okay, they were on.
It's just the ignition. The lights are off.
No, that's your ignition was on.
Oh,
So I shut it off.
All
when
right.
I came back. I didn't know. They take like a minute to shut off.
that's fine. Thank you very much.
You've met Tony before, haven't you?
Yeah.
Don's always eating. Always eating. Alex is always drinking.
I don't drink.
Tony's always busy washing his rig.
Whoa.
Here's Dennis and Jay. Live. This is live, by the way. Live.
Yeah, hey, we're related. We're related.
There's Tony. There's the grandkid. Richie. Wendy. Turbo. Rita. All right, so that was live from Beaver Dam.
I just used one this year, but I used my